Before I start to share what I have for you today, I genuinely want to ask, what's always the debate about my hair in the comment section? I really want to ask, and if you can answer me, I will gladly love it. I will gladly accept it and love it. So, why is it that you guys are always fighting in the comment section? Each time I make a post, you fight in the comment section about my hair. My hair is long. You've watched me grow my hair from inception till date. From what you can see in this clip right now, you can tell that my hair is long. And that was last year, if I'm not mistaken, last year or last 2 years that I showed you my length on camera. That's tailbone length. That was last year or last 2 years. I can't remember. So this is this year right now. I've never done any length check. So just know that my hair is long and stop the argument in the comment section. It annoys me, and every time you guys come to the comment section to argue about my hair. My hair is long. It is healthy. It is full. That's on period. Stop the argument, because anytime I see it, anyone that comments about the length of my hair or anything, I will block you. That's just it. Stop it. They've told you guys that African hair cannot grow, and you see someone that is literally growing that hair. You have been seeing me from inception. I don't know if it is hate or what. You have been seeing me from inception, showing you that this can be done, sharing recipes with you guys, and all you could do is to come to the comment section to fight about my hair. I don't like it. And anyone I see commenting about the length of my hair, whether my hair is long or not, I will block you. I just came to put it out here. African hair can grow. Our hair can grow, and that's on period. Genetics or nothing. Don't if you keep believing about genetics, if you don't take care of your hair, that genetics that you're believing on will disgrace you. That's just it. So, on a lighter note, I'm here to share an amazing recipe. Some of you are new on the channel and you've been asking, Dimma, what can I start with? I highly recommend this DIY, and that is what I'm about to share. For those of you that are new on the channel, you're welcome. I'm so sorry I started this video by ranting, but that's just exactly how I feel. All right, that's exactly how I feel. So just grab these a few ingredients. Let's make this amazing hair growth oil. Okay, so in this oil, I've got grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil. Then I've got rosemary. We are doing fresh leaves on this video. You can also use whether fresh or dry, whichever you have, but I suggest you use fresh leaves. So I just used about 4 stalks. As you can see, just heat up the oil a bit, add your rosemary leaves, and then the next ingredient that we are going to be using is mint leaves. All these ingredients can be shopped in an open market anywhere around the world, whether you're in Nigeria, US, Canada, name it. Anywhere you are in the world, these leaves are common. Not the one you come and say, Dimma, we don't have these ingredients, we can't find it. Where can we find it? You can find it in open markets, especially those of you in Nigeria. You can ask those malam that sell leaves in the market. They sell all these leaves. Okay, just fry it for about 15 minutes. Stand by this. Do not leave it on fire to go anywhere else. You will not like the outcome. So you can just fry it a bit, allow it to cool down, and then you strain. That's my strainer and my bowl to collect my filtrate. So after straining, the next thing you will do is to add your biotin tablet. We have a lot of amazing DIYs on this channel, but I don't know what the problem is. Is it that choosing one DIY to focus on is a problem, so I just be using one tablet, and this is menthol crystals. When you go to where they sell formulation stuff or even pharmacy, ask them for menthol crystals. Pharmacies, they sell menthol crystals, okay? Just 1 teaspoon. So these menthol crystals will give you that minty feeling that will help your hair, your scalp to be calm. So stir this, add your peppermint essential oil in 5 drops, add lavender essential oil for scent in 5 drops, add eucalyptus essential oil as well, and then we are using Optifen as preservatives, just 1%. Then you transfer this into your applicator bottle as seen. All right. So when you transfer this into an applicator bottle, it is ready for use. Please do not use this for kids under 2 years old. You can use it for kids from 2 years and above. I highly recommend this for our new followers. I have a lot of amazing DIYs on this channel that if you can just calm down and stop rushing, pick one, it will benefit you. I've seen a lot of persons grow their hair from this channel. I've seen a lot of persons come here, pick one DIY and focus on. Don't always be after plenty DIYs or hey Dima, I don't know which one to choose. Choose one. If you come to the channel, pick one, focus on. Where you can switch is when it's no longer working for you. It's just like skincare. There are a lot of brands out there when it comes to skincare. A lot of them, CeraVe, Nivea, name it. There are lots out there. So are you expected to buy all of those skincare products to be using at once? No. You will still go for that particular one that works for you. The reason why we are sharing a lot of a lot of DIYs is just so if one does not work for you, you move to another one. If Vaseline is not working for you, you go for lotion. There are a lot of products out there. Eucerin, Sebamed for children. If one is not working for your baby, you move to another one. Aveeno, there are a lot of them. Pears, there are a lot of cushion. What is it called? Cushion. What is it called? There are a lot of products out there, but you are expected to choose one. Use the one that works for you. There are a lot of hair care brands out there. I recently launched mine 2 years ago, barely 2 years ago, because we'll be two in a month's time. Yeah. So I just launched my hair care brand. There are a lot of other brands that have been there. If you try other brands that have been there, they are not working for you. You try another one. Whichever works for you, that's fine. I'm a very calm person and I'm a very patient person. If you know me too well, some of you are beginning to read me even behind the lens. Someone literally came here and rightly said that, Dima, that you're a go-getter. Whatever you set your mind to do, you will do it. That she have watched me grow my hair and she have also watched me lose weight. That is just it. I'm a go-getter and I'm a very patient person. I love to be patient. So some of you come to buy my products, the shipping is expensive for you, and I give you options. Come to the DIYs. If you cannot ship but if you can ship my products, I bet you that's the best thing that could ever happen to your hair, because I have sold my products for almost 2 years now and the feedbacks are amazing. And customers that have returned are over 98%, and I have shipped to over 100 countries. That's a great success. So if you can ship my products, if one DIY is not working for you, move to another. If you can ship my products, use DIYs. Why should we fight? Why should you come to make it a case in my comment section? Please, I don't like it. And I don't want to be talking to you guys every time about this. Please, let's all be adults, because there is no child on this space. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.